Juicy! Ooh, I think I look kind of good. Damn!
Let's go.
What's up, everybody? Today I have got a special guest star, Whitney. She's gonna be doing a photo shoot with me because I told her I've been getting into photography lately, and she graciously volunteered to have photos taken of her. Whitney, say hello to everybody.
Hello, everyone.
Are you ready to take some nice photos?
Yes, I am.
Let's go.
And you're gonna edit out my insecurities.
So we have this set up here. I have the Amaran 100D with an small octa with the grid. That's gonna be her hair light. Then we have this Amaran 100D with the beauty dish that's gonna be pointing up as a little bit of fill. And then we have over here a flash with a 33-inch umbrella, which will be the main light on her face to make her look good. Today we are shooting with the camera that I have misplaced. Sony A7 III with the Zeiss 55. We also have special guest star Karolina is here. Say hello to the camera.
Hello. She is my wife. Are you gonna fix something? Yeah.
We got a stylist over here. Wait, am I gonna have to pay for a stylist fee?
Yeah, you are.
I'm just gonna take a test shot now.
How am I looking?
You tell me.
Whoa. Better than I really look. That's for damn sure. Good job.
So now we're gonna get into some posing. So the first pose I want you to do, actually this is kind of cool. Let's go with this pose. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a photo, and then after I take the photo, I want you to just play around with your shoulders a little bit. Move the shoulders, move your chin a little bit, look at the camera like this, squint a bit, don't squint, just move around and be natural. Try to just like
Be natural.
look amazing. Yeah, exactly.
I don't have a model face. I don't feel like.
Oh, Whitney, so humble.
I don't know. Tell me what to do, Yousef.
All right, your left leg forward, and then put more weight on the back leg. Tilt it just a touch to the left. Yeah.
Carly, you're the one that's making me laugh.
Karolina. Yeah, this is good. Ooh.
I want to look a bitch.
Ooh. I want you to put this shoulder up a little higher. Amazing. Face your face towards this middle part of the umbrella and then just look at me with your eyes. Oh, Whitney, look how amazing you look.
Oh gosh. I don't know about amazing, but I look cutie.
Okay,
My hair needs to be bigger.
so you're gonna wrap your one arm around your body. Yeah, more around the body. Yeah, almost like that. And then with your other hand, you're gonna be touching your face. Yeah, exactly. And then
Help me, Carly, look at my hair.
hair assistant, stylist.
Yes, hairstylist.
This is why we need stylists. Be soft with your hands and then just lightly go down your face with your hands. More on the side. Yeah, and then just like lightly go down your face. Like it's really, think about something extra soft. Yes, Whitney.
I couldn't use it.
Do I make you laugh?
Yes.
It's gonna be a lot of smiling pictures, that's for sure.
Oh yeah.
Oh, you have a tattoo? Tilt your hand a little bit more like that, and then maybe, yeah, like be touching the bottom of your face. Yeah, exactly. See, the touch is where all this special mojo happens. Do that, but like put this shoulder forward.
I get what you're saying.
Yeah, and then with your hand on your face. Exactly, perfect. Chin down a little bit more so you look like you're gonna eat me. Like don't look at the lens, look through the lens if you can. Oh my goodness. Whitney, who is this?
No.
Look at that. We're gonna do profile. Body like that. Look with your eyes towards the camera. Maybe tilt your shoulders a little bit more that way. Exactly. With your hands in the pocket is nice, yeah. Stylist.
Fix the hair.
Stylist.
Fix the hair.
Stylist. Very nice. Now do the same exact thing on the other side because it's gonna accentuate your hair.
Fix me, mommy.
Nice. Do you feel comfortable taking the jacket off?
Yes.
All right.
Like this or all the way off?
Oh, that's kind of cute. Yeah, actually, you'll like that. Look through the lens. Yeah. Get a little bit closer to me, please. Hold on a
Oh,
second.
you look sexy with my hair in my face.
Yeah, Whitney. All right, get some of your hair in your face. Okay, what I want you to do, okay, wait, your hair is in your face, and then I want you with just your fingers to go up and then just reveal your face through your hair.
I cannot.
What's that hot face? Okay, let's take the top off, yeah. And then I didn't think you was just and now I want to do a booty towards the camera looking over the shoulder. Tiptoe a bit, so it's gonna like pop your butt out. Yes, exactly, Whitney, exactly. Touch more to the right there, and then yeah, if you can, look with your face a touch more. Maybe like open your lips up just a touch. No, not like that. That's not G-rated.
I'm trying.
That's not G-rated. You look amazing. You look amazing.
I look better smiling. Yousef, I feel like.
All right, let's do the other side now to accentuate your hair. Yeah, a little bit more to the right, a touch. Yeah.
Thanks.
Yes, Whitney. Yes, mommy.
That's not G-rated.
Oh! Oh! We got some motion in there. I like it. Very nice. Love that look. There you go. Go with the flow. Flow it out. Just be yourself. Whoa! It's not Halloween, Whitney.
My hair would look crazy though, honestly.
Play with your hair. Put your hand through your hair. Yeah. And just like play with it delicately. And look at the lens and think of your future boyfriend.
I don't think it's fine if I want to bring in pull that right now. When I think of boys.
Yeah. Just put your hands through your hair. Play with that hair. Yep. Yep. Oh, I love that one. Yep. Oh, yeah. Yes. Yes.
Side profile. I gotta get a side profile.
Let's see that side profile.
Outfit change.
Yes, exactly. That's exactly what I was thinking.
Let's see some of these.
Let's get
Just a few. I just need to look. Oh my gosh, go back to the other one. You see? Ooh, I think I look kind of good. Damn.
Yeah. I am gonna have to go through 100 bad photos to find the good one. No, I'm just kidding. All of them are amazing, Whitney. You're looking great. What is so funny, Whitney? So now I want you to hold this one. Oh my God.
Let me see.
I'm done. Look at her.
Oh, perfect. Let me see. Let me see.
No need for more.
Look how good you look.
I just look pretty good now. If I had some titties now.
Hold it over here a little bit more. Yeah, yeah. Isn't that easier? We're gonna do a handful where it's gonna just you be looking at the camera, no smile, and then we'll do a handful with a smile. So now we take the photographs. Put your this left shoulder up a touch. Yeah, and now move your head a little to the left. Yeah, look at me with the eyes. Oh my God, Whitney.
I can't do it, Yousef, if you want me to be serious.
Oh, good one.
Oh,
Really want to show your face. Yeah, Whitney. Do you mind if I touch your hair?
I do not care. You want me to do the switcheroo like
Yeah,
this?
yeah. Switch your,
Tell me what you want.
and then get these hairs over to this other side. I wanted to take you to grow those curls.
24 years.
Wow. Yeah, give me a nice smile. One for grandma.
One for grandma. She would love that.
How's your grandma doing? Oh,
Good.
well, no duck lips. That's 2004. That's
2004! Dang, boys. That was me. I can't even cross my eyes on.
oh, sexy. Yeah, like that.
I wanna
Oh,
look like
that
a
one's
bitch.
good.
I want to look a bitch.
So put your chin down a little bit more and then look at the lens like you're gonna eat it. Oh my goodness, yeah. You look very hungry right now, Whitney. Are you hungry?
Lick your lips a little bit.
No?
I can't. It's my mouth.
Look, you're a natural. You know how to do this? Wow.
What is it? Light bouncing off of me different?
Yeah. Not really, but sure. Oh, see? Whitney!
Whitney, why are you showing the assistant?
She knows what looks good.
Ew, I do look cutie in that one. Picture me, baby.
Perfect. All right, let me hold this for you.
He's like, you're not doing it good.
Run your hands through your hair.
No.
Oi.
I don't know what I was about to do, Yousef. I don't know. I was about to be like.
Oh, you're gonna. Do that again. You were gonna do the. Oh, wow, the hand on the reflector.
Woo!
Oh my goodness. I don't know. I'm not gonna know which one to choose because all these are looking amazing. Like your hair and then you have your hand on the side. Yeah, exactly. Do that for me again. Yes. We can't take all amazing photos. I'm not gonna be able to choose. There we go.
I need an outfit change.
Yeah, I think we got enough close-ups. Awesome job, Whitney. All right, outfit change.
Outfit change.
Let's do this. Whitney,
Wardrobe change.
we got the red dress. The red dress.
With the Birks.
With the-
We're getting the Birks.
Yes. There we go. Yeah, let's go into it. Okay. For this one, try to like move your shoulders a bit and look at the camera. Like, yo, what's up? Yo, how we doing?
Okay, I'm gonna try.
Let's go. Yes. Yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah. Pop your shoulder up a little higher. Yeah. Yeah.
It's breaking.
Yeah. Huh?
I'm sure that one was cute.
How do models do that for so long? Yeah, I'm gonna do this because it's gonna accentuate your hair a lot. Oh yeah, Whitney. Oh my goodness, Whitney. Yes. Let's do profile now. Yeah, this side. Yeah. Point with your tippy toes a little bit. Oh wait, hold on a second. We didn't see that knee right there. Wow.
Oh, it's changing some things, doesn't it? I think my titty's out. Carmen's like, assistant, good.
Yeah, a touch to the right. Yes, Whitney. Karolina, look at Whitney.
Let me look. I want to look.
Wow.
Ooh.
Look what I was telling you about the shoulders.
I like that one, the side one.
Oh yeah. Look at the leg down, the bare leg. Whoa. Whoa. Head and shoulders. Where are you? Head and shoulders. Look at me with your eyes only. Yeah. She has got the new drip. Look at this drip, boy. You just got home from work and you just bathed. You got out of the shower and you're just like feeling your hair. I'm just checking my hair. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, show off that ear. Oh my God, look at that earring. Get a little shine in your eyes. Let's go with let's do this pose. Do like this. Yeah. Glossy, Whitney. That's the style. That's for Granny.
That's for Granny.
That's for the corporate job. Pop your shoulder a little bit more this side.
This one?
Yeah. Oh, you're about to win some business. These are the, yeah, that, some of them are realtor photos, that's for sure. Oh, more from this angle, yeah. Facing more straight like that, and then look at me with your eyes only. Yep. Whitney, I can't stop taking photos of you.
Hell yeah.
I can't stop.
Take them anytime. Why do I not get to see? I love how the assistant gets to see. Cute.
Oh my goodness. Have fun with it. I like that mood. I like that energy. You know what to do? Just move those shoulders a touch more and you're good to go. I think we got it all, Whitney. Amazing.
Heck yeah.
Look at this, Whitney.
Oh, when you edit out my flaws, oh yeah. Ooh, I like that one. Get back. That one, I like that one.
Like that one?
That
Okay.
was cutie.
There's so many keepers. Honestly, oh yeah, this is the best one.
I like it.
There's so many keepers, Whitney. Look at that. Look at you. Look at you. Look at you. Look at you. Look at you.
My hair would have been
Look at
better
it.
with a Pantene spray gel. It's this thing that they discontinued and Hopefully someone from Pantene hears this.
Well, that is all I have for you today, Whitney. I super appreciate you, Mom.
Anytime. I want to be your
you.
model anytime.
Thank you. What do you have to say to the people out there on YouTube?
I love you, see. And that's this man right there.
Woo!